Welcome to our guide on how to delete your MoneyGram account. Whether you're looking to simplify your online presence or have other reasons, we're here to help you through the process. Before we dive in, there are some important considerations. Make sure you have access to your account credentials and understand the consequences of deletion. Step 1 is to log into your MoneyGram account. Enter your email and password to access your dashboard. Next, navigate to your account settings. You'll typically find this option in the menu at the top right corner of the screen. In the account settings, look for the Delete Account option. It might be listed under a Security or Privacy section. Once you find the Delete option, click it, and you'll be prompted to confirm your deletion request. Take a moment to think this through. After confirming, check your email for a confirmation message from MoneyGram. This is essential to complete the deletion process. If you face any issues during the deletion process, refer to our troubleshooting tips. Issues might include not receiving your confirmation email or login problems. In conclusion, deleting your MoneyGram account is a straightforward process. However, consider exploring alternatives, such as deactivating your account if you aren't ready to fully delete it.